Ever wondered why the flames of a new love born out of the ashes of a past relationship tends to flicker out so quickly? It's called dating on the rebound, and today we're going to delve into its intricacies and dangers. Picture this: a relationship ends, and the heartbreak is overwhelming. The instinct to fill the empty space with another person is strong, almost compelling. It's like a band-aid for the soul, a temporary fix to a deep wound. But is this the best course? The simple answer is no. Why? Well, let's start with the fact that healing takes time. Just as a physical wound needs time to heal, so does an emotional one. Jumping into a new relationship before fully healing only camouflages the pain. It doesn't eliminate it. Moreover, it's unfair to the new partner. They deserve someone who's fully present, not someone who sees them as distraction from their pain. It's a disservice to both parties involved, creating a shaky foundation that often leads to more heartbreak. So, how does one avoid dating on the rebound? The first step is to recognize the signs. Are you seeking a new relationship to avoid being alone or to fill a void? Are you comparing your new partner to your ex? Do your emotions fluctuate between extreme highs and lows? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then it's time to step back and reassess. Instead of rushing into a new relationship, focus on self-care and healing. Seek professional help if needed. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Engage in activities that you enjoy. It might be a cliché, but it's true. You have to love yourself before you can truly love someone else. To summarize, the dangers of rebound dating are manifold. It can prevent genuine healing, it's unfair to the new partner, and it can lead to a cycle of unhealthy relationships. The antidote? Recognizing the signs, focusing on self-care, and giving yourself the time to heal. So, the next time you find yourself on the brink of a relationship shortly after a breakup, pause and ask yourself, am I ready for this, or am I simply avoiding the pain? Your future relationships will thank you for it. Remember, love is not a race. It's a journey that should be embarked on with a whole healed heart.